Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Kawasaki Nomad. 1600cc Vtwin cruiser, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This beautiful two-tone cruiser just arrived with only 15,000 miles on the odometer. Come by, make your big bore Vtwin cruiser dreams come true. This bike has really got a lot of curb appeal. Nice big windshield, comfortable backrest. Come on by and check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh, by the way, did I say it's only $64.99? We have financing, we have extended warranties. Come on by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Fuel injected. Nice. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.